Hi, my name's Dave. I'm a homeowner, and because of that, I've learned to fix a lot of stuff over the years. I'm not quite sure what we're going to fix next, but we're going to fix something. Or build something. I like to build. Hey, I've saved a lot of money over the years doing my own projects, and I hope I can be a part of saving you some money as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Always coming up with some new project. Have a great day.
Alright, looks like about 79 inches. We're in a basement, so the door height's going to be a little bit off. These pre-hung doors, they don't come at 79 inches. This one top to bottom, it was 82 and a quarter. So we're going to take off 3 and a quarter, make that thing fit right. I'm going to cut it on a table saw. You could use a skill saw and a couple of sawhorses if you wanted to, but got a table saw, so we're going to use it. And just happen to have a miter saw, and we're going to cut the bottom of the pre-hung door frame. Cut 3 and a quarter off each side. And hopefully it'll fit on the first try. A little bit tight. It looks like I got a piece of drywall that's kind of in the way. Got it in there, but I'm gonna zip it off so we can get some shims in there using an oscillating tool. Wonderful invention. Alright, well, once we get it in there, take a couple of clamps to hold it in place and hold it flush with the wall on either side. I'm going to make sure it's level. Pop in a couple of shims where it's not. I always like to do the top of the frame first so I can hang the door before I set the bottom and the sides. That way I can see if there's any gaps once I have the door in. Alright, looks about level. Now when you're putting these shims in, don't put them in so tight that it bends the door frame. What you're doing is getting the door frame set straight and then fill in the gaps with the shims, so when you put in your nails it holds it in the exact position. And if you don't get it tight enough, it'll also cause it to bend. So just enough to snug it up to the wood nice. Alright, so ready to put the door on. After we get the door on, we'll put a couple of clamps on the bottom, make sure that the frame is flush with the drywall on both sides. First tries, not terrible. A couple of little areas where we need to shim up, and it'll close that gap up, or actually open it up at the top. It was just a little bit off. We seem to have it where we want it, so we're just filling in the gaps just enough to hold those shims in place. Like I said, if you get them too tight, they'll make the frame bend. And that's the gaps we're looking for. Looks like we're pretty well set to anchor the sides and the bottoms. Just got a few more gaps to fill. After I get all my shims in and my frame attached to the 2x4s, I'll just go back with the oscillating tool and cut the shims away, flush with the door frame. They're all going to be covered up by the molding, so you need to get them as close to the wall as you can. As usual, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell. We got future videos coming out. Have a good day.